The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for El Dorado, CA, beginning at 4:40 p.m. Tuesday, January 3rd and ending at 12:40 p.m. Friday, January 6th. This is an important storm message from the El Dorado County Sheriff's Office. If you live or are traveling through any of the El Dorado County burn scars created by the Caldor mosquito fires, be aware and prepared for the increased chance of mudslides and debris flows in those areas. The mosquito burn scar area includes the properties north of Volcano Villa Road into the middle fork of the American River Canyon, which borders Placer County. The Caldor burn scar includes the town of Grizzly Flats, Mormon Immigrant Trail, Highway 50 corridor, and Christmas Valley in the South Lake Tahoe Basin. Due to the forecasted seriousness of the incoming weather event Wednesday and Thursday, if you live in an area prone to flooding, be aware and prepared for new and recurring flooding in your area. Please follow the El Dorado County and the El Dorado County Sheriff's Office Facebook pages for important information and emergency alerts.